What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another fishing mission. As y'all can see, I'm out here on a kayak today. I'm out at a lake that has a little waterfall. Last time I was here, I was trying to catch 5 fish, only caught 3 fish. Weather's a little warmer today, hoping to have a little better luck. Got a couple different baits tied up. We're gonna get out here to the waterfall, see if we can find them. Let's go. Oh yeah, it looks just as good as it did last time I was here. I think the water is actually a little higher this time. We've had some rain over the last couple of weeks, so it'll make sense. Fighting against the wind to get up here by the waterfall. But I think that's gonna work towards our advantage on the way out. We'll just let this wind drift us back out. Gotta get up there first of all though. We got turtles out here. Got 2 on this rock right here. One of them jumped in as I was coming up. Alright, last time I was here, I was using a paddle tail and a crankbait. Caught fish on both. I'm gonna start with the paddle tail today. Let's start right up here by the waterfall. I didn't have any luck by the waterfall last time, but maybe today there's some out here. Right down here. There's one. Yes, sir. First fish. Stay on, stay on. It's a little guy, little largemouth. We'll take him. First fish of the day. Let's go. Just a little guy. Take him, get him back. I just blew up the whole little spot right here. See if I can back out of here calmly enough not to blow it up. See, last time I was out here, that's exactly where I caught one too. Right there in that same little spot. I didn't catch any, like I said, up by the waterfall last time. Maybe they're not up there. Maybe they're more over here. Any more? Over this way. All right, before I move on, I want to give this little crankbait a chance up here by the waterfall. See if maybe a different presentation will draw some different fish. There's one. Yes. About the same size as the first one. Another little largemouth. Take him. Yeah, he's probably a little smaller than the other one. I'll take it though. So that's what I like to do. If I have a couple different baits tied on, I'll work an area with one bait and then try with another bait before I move on, because you never know, sometimes it's a little different presentation. Draw the fish that the other bait didn't, as you guys can see. Let's go. Already starting off better than the last time. Last time I was out here for about 90 minutes and I caught 3 in that time. So it was pretty slow going throughout the day. I've only been out here now for maybe about 10 minutes. Already got 2 on. Nothing to write home about just yet, but I'm sure there's some big ones in here somewhere. Just gotta try to run into them. We're on. This is something big too. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Bruh, what the hell was that? He bent my hook out. He bent my hook out, y'all. Look at that. What the fuck? Bruh, what the hell was that? I gotta try with this crankbait to see if I can get him to bite again. I feel like a catfish, probably. There's one on the pause right here. Let's go. Another little small bass, but I will take it. It's been a minute since I caught them first 2. I done drifted all the way out into the main little channel right there, into the lake, came back up here, finally caught fish number 3. Smallest one of the day, but it feels good to get another fish on at least. It is the middle of the day. I guess you can't really expect to do too great right now. But this one's back on. Another one. Another small something. What is this? Another small bass. I think this is even smaller. They're getting smaller, y'all. Fish number 4 though. Finally. Ooh. Only caught 3 last time. It's number 4 this time. I'll take it. I found a little pattern up underneath this bridge. Dragging along these rocks. Off to the edges with this crankbait. That's 2 of them now. All of them have been pretty much up on the rocks. The other two were out there in the open though, but they've all been up next to the rocks. Another one. There we go. First one on the white one. Oh, it's a crappie. Okay, second species. Just a little bitty crappie, but I'll take it. Fish number 5. There we go. That was the goal for the day. We were trying to catch 5 last time. Let's try to see if we can do it this time. We just did it right there. Let's go. And I still got another like 30 minutes of time before I gotta leave here. So let's see if we can add another 1 or 2 to the pile here. Crappies are always so freaking slimy. Figure I'll tie on this little trout magnet underneath the bobber and let it drift along these edges here and see if we can run into something this way. There's one. There we go. Got him this time. Another crappie. Let's go. It's number 6. Crappie number 2. Come on. Might have found a little ticket here, y'all. Usually where there's one crappie, there's more crappie. So let's see. Another one. Yes, sir. I love trout magnet fishing underneath the bobber, boy. Ain't nothing cooler than seeing that bobber go down. Well, maybe a topwater blow up, but crappie number 3, fish number 7 total. I don't want to blow out of here. Another one. Yes, sir. We found it. Let's go. Another crappie. Right here in front of the waterfall. Let's go. I don't want to show y'all too much. I need to get back over there before I drift out of this area. They seem to be stacked up right here in this little slack water area. Another one. Oh, that one came on. That looked like the smallest one, probably. Is there one on this? There is. Ain't no way. I was trying to fish too. This was just sitting out there. I got tangled. Was trying to get it untangled. This dude ate it. Another one, y'all. On the trout magnet. Alright, here's where I get out at. Right up here. So this is gonna be the last little area I work right here, right up underneath this tree. Looks pretty good up underneath this shade canopy. Yep, right there. There's one. What is this? Oh, bluegill, species number 3. I'll take it. Let's go. It's a little one. Any more of you guys up under there? That'll do it. Back up so I can get a little running start into this. Make sure I get the boat up on the water or on the land. Alright, here we go. Alright, y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video. All out of time. Come out here to the waterfall at Lake Olathe for the second time. I was able to have much better luck this time. Last time I only caught 3. This time I was able to catch, I think, 11 total fish, 3 different species. So way better day. Appreciate y'all tuning in today. Make sure you like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.